All right. Who all are here? I see. Let me do a quick roll call. I can see Sohita raising her hands. I can see Ahana, Asher, Riyans, Mandeep, Mishika, Praneet, Riyans with glasses. Then we have Shivakeswa, and we have Lakshmi, we have Ved, and we have that is Sohita. Okay. I was looking for Sohita's name. I was seeing her daddy's name. All right. Anyway, so let's get started. In the classroom we have Bhuvi, we have Yug, and we have Rudraksh. So when is the school starting?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Yeah, I'm super happy for you guys.
Actually, no. In 2 more days.
2 more days. Yes. Some of the schools are starting on Tuesday, some on Wednesday.
I go to charter. That's why.
Okay. So, any which way, I'm happy for you guys. You had a lot of break. Too much of break is not good. At least you'll get. Okay. All right. So let's get started without talking about anything that is not so important. What are we going to learn today?
Word problem.
Yes. So yesterday we did a revision of our understanding of division. Revision of division. Rhyming words. Yeah. And today we will look at word problems. We were planning to do word problems yesterday, which we did not do. So we'll do word problems today. Now take the pencil out, keep the notebook away. Anything that distracts you, keep it away. Because word problems needs full focus, full concentration. Yeah? So, Rutas, can you close the garage door for me?
Sorry.
The one above, the switch, the above one. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So, I have above. Yeah. Let's look at some of the problems later. And then we'll see how much we know. And what we don't. Let me see or read the problems for you guys. And I want everybody to pay full attention and hear me very clearly, okay? Carefully. A teacher bought 12 sheets of stickers to use in the homework for her students. No need to write it down, just hear me clearly, okay? A teacher bought 12 sheets of stickers to use in the homework of her students. Each sheet had 48 stickers. So she got 12 sheets of stickers and each sheet had 48 stickers. At the end of the year, the teacher had 123 stickers remaining. Which is the best estimate for the number of stickers the teacher used? It's a word problem. So, first you stop playing with whatever you are playing with. Let me read it one more time and you might want to take a note of just some of the numbers, okay? Not whatever I am telling. A teacher, Mr. Virendra Kumar, bought 12 sheets of stickers to use on the homework for her students. So Virendra Kumar cannot be her. She is student. A teacher bought 12 sheets of stickers to use for homework of her students. Each sheet had 48 stickers. At the end of the year, the teacher had 123 stickers remaining. What is the best estimate for the number of stickers the teacher used? Now, everybody heard the question? Everybody noted down the information?
The last number was 120, right?
No.
123.
123. Yes, Mishika. Mishika has a hat.
I don't have a
Do it. Do it and tell me the answer. Yeah, Praneeth.
If it was estimated, I think the answer would be 3.
I'm sorry?
If the answer was estimated, I think the answer is 380.
Okay.
About 380.
About 380, okay. How about you, Lakshmi? You're talking to the mute button, better. Unmute yourself.
How many singles did she have at the end?
Yeah. That's the question. So I'm reading the question one more time. It says, teacher bought 12 sheets of stickers to use for homework for her students. Each sheet has 48 stickers. At the end of the year, the teacher had 123 stickers remaining. What is the best estimate for the number of stickers the teacher used? Yes, Riyans. Riyans with glasses.
Level1.
Okay. Riyans without glasses.
I think the answer is 500.
It's 500. Okay. Sohita, Mandeep. What's your answer? First of all, stop doing research with your box. Take the pencil out and give your box to me. These are big distractions for kids to study. You see me playing with those markers always? No. Okay. Movie, did you try it? What did you try? Thinking about it? Okay. Yeah, Riyans with glasses, tell me.
My answer was also 500.
Almost 500. Let's see what Lakshmi says.
My answer is 380.
380. How about Ved?
I got a 500.
Almost 500. Okay.
Almost 500.
Okay. And we have to do the best estimates. Yeah, Mishika. What's your answer, beta?
500.
How about Sohita?
383.
How about Sivakeswa?
500.
500. See, whom do I trust? Some of you are saying 380, some of you are saying almost 500. How about, yeah,
I mean, 576. It is actually 380.
say that again.
It is actually 380.
Okay. I don't know. I love you all so much that I cannot ignore anybody. Okay, let's see what Ahana says.
I think the answer is 380.
380. Okay. See, that's what I'm saying. For me, everybody is my child. So I cannot ignore anybody who's saying 500 either. So I have to find out myself. Rudraj, what is your answer? Still doing it. Bhuvi, how about you, beta? You know how to do multiplication? No, not much. Okay. Sivakeswa, you have told me the answer. You can put your hands down. Ved, you can also put your hands down so that I would know who's trying to answer, who has not answered yet. Yeah.
576.
Okay, I'm asking for estimated value, so
Okay, then
almost
600.
almost 600. Yeah. Okay. Now let me do it. So Bhuvi, Mandeep, all the kids who have not done it, just watch me do it. And what I will do, I will waste everybody's time, like I always do. Yeah? See? Old people have a lot of time, right? I'm almost getting old. So I have a lot of time to waste. Let's see. A teacher bought 12 sheets. Bought 12 sheets of stickers. 12 sheets of sticker. So 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3 sheet, 4 sheet, 5 sheet, 12 sheet. This many sheets of sticker. Each sheet has 48 stickers. So if I look at one sheet, if I count down the stickers, total 48 stickers in one sheet. Yeah. At the end of the year, teacher had 123 stickers left, remaining.
I forgot, sir. I forgot to calculate what they need.
So now, okay, let me stop you guys. Let me stop you guys. Now, when I'm doing it, if you got a chance to correct your answer, you will not stop me. Okay? You will let me finish it and then verify that with your answer and figure out where did you go wrong. As long as you have realized it, it's wonderful. Okay? So don't worry about that. But don't stop me in between because that disrupts the whole chain of thought. Now, so there are total 12 sheets, 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 12 sheets, and every sheet has 48 stickers. And at the end of the school year, this many stickers were remaining. It says, what is the best estimate for the number of stickers the teacher used in the year? So she got this many stickers and this many were remaining. So if I know what is the total count of stickers she had and subtract this from that, then I would know how much she used. Correct? Let's say I got 10 stickers and I'm left with 3. So how many I used? 10 minus 3. That is what I used. Correct? So that's what we are trying to find out. How many did we have? How many are remaining? And if I subtract this number from this whole number, that is what we used. Yep. Now, see, I have different techniques for wasting time. I love wasting time. Okay. So I have this many sheets, 12 sheets. Or if I had only one sheet, I had 48 stickers. If I had 2 sheets, I had 48 plus 48 stickers. If I had 3 sheets, I had 48 plus 48 plus 48 stickers. So 48 plus 48 plus 48, 3 times 48. I had 12 sheets. So 12 times 48. This many stickers the teacher got. Yeah? Do you guys agree? This is what you would have done, right? So the teacher got 12 sheets, every sheet having 48 stickers. So 48 into 12, that many stickers she got. So first thing we have to do is, how many stickers she had? 48 multiplied by 12. And when I say I love wasting time, I love wasting space also. Meaning, I have to multiply 48 by 12. Waste as much paper you can. Okay? And if your parents say, why are you wasting paper? Say, my teacher had said so. Okay? It's okay. Now, multiply 12 by 48. I'll start from here because right is always right. We start from right. Okay? From here. 2 8 is 16. I can only write 6. And 1 I did not write. It goes on the head of the next number. Done. 2 4s are 8. Plus 1, 9. This number is done. Mark it. Then you are going to second number. If you are using second number, you will start from second place. You will leave the first place. You start in second number. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. Now you add that. So this number is that. So 1 you multiply by 8, you put an 8. 1 times 4 is 4. See, I have kept so much space between the numbers so that I don't add 8 with 6. Or I don't add 9 with 4. I will only add this way. 6 plus nothing is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17. What happens is you only write 7. 1 gets carried forward. 4 plus 1 is 5. 576 was the total number of stickers she bought. 580 was the total number of stickers she bought. Yeah. Now, she had 576. I'm rounding it because we have to find the estimate, right? And she had 123 stickers remaining. So I will mark this as 120 maybe. Okay, I'm just doing an estimation. So 8 minus 2 6, 5 minus 1 4. 460, 465. That should have been my estimate. Some of you gave me 500, some of you gave me 380. My answer is different. Now do you guys know why it is different from my answer? Yes, Praneeth.
I understand my answer is different from yours because I did a 48 rounded, which would equal 50, and 12 rounded, which would equal 10. So that would be 50 times 10 equals 500 minus 123. If we round that, it would be 120. So 500 minus 120 equals 380.
Okay. 500 minus 120 is equal to 380. Am I doing something wrong here? See, my this answer is giving you 576. Okay, see, the thing is, when I am multiplying this, I am getting 576. If I round it and do it the way Praneeth did, I will get a 500. There is a difference of 76. And 76, when you do rounding to 3 digits, it will become 100. That's why there is a difference of 100 between my answer and your answer. Yeah? Does it make sense, Praneeth? Wait, Sohita, everybody? Yaditi. Mishika, is that clear to you also, beta? Mishika is in a beach get-up. It feels like Mishika is on a beach. Okay, alright. So, does it make sense to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Some of you gave me answer of 500. That was closer to this. 460 when you do rounding, that will become 500. So whoever gave me 500 answer, that was much closer to the answer. Yes, Sohita.
I actually multiplied again and my answer was actually 576.
Yeah. Right. So see, what happens is, these are the things that everybody knows. Okay. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. It's very easy. We all have learned. And some of us are learning. Learning one time is not a big deal. Very easy. Forgetting it is even easier. Learning is easy, forgetting is easier. And how you can forget, you can avoid forgetting it by practice. So whoever does practice will be always right or improve the chances of being right. Whoever learns it and thinks, okay, I learned, I'm done, your situation will become like mine. Because when you are doing the problem and you will scratch your head, you keep on losing hair for solving every problem. Yeah? Yeah, Sohita.
That's why math is the easiest thing to do. Easiest subject.
Yes, so math is easy. It's easy to learn and it becomes easier when you practice. You will never see me being stressed when I am doing problem, okay? I actually enjoy math.
I also said that to my dad this morning.
Yeah. Okay. So everybody understood? Bhuvi, you understood this, beta? Okay. Are you clear? Rudraksh, are you clear? Yeah. Okay. And I have seen kids, I have heard kids saying, oh, my math is not strong. Don't be friend with those students. Whoever says my math is not strong, don't be friend with them. Because they don't understand the very simple thing. There is no subject that you are not good at. You are good at every subject that you study. So if somebody says, my math is not good, that means that guy is not studying math. Don't be friend with him. Now you don't have to have friends who are only studying. I'm saying you can have friends who are not studying as well. But what I'm saying is, somebody who says my math is not good, my science is not good, it's because they are not studying those subjects. Okay? If they are not practicing it, it will never be good. Ahana, do you agree with her? Yeah? Ahana, am I saying something right or wrong?
Right.
How about Aditi? Aditi, am I making sense with her? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Now let's move on to the next problem. So, let's go to the next problem. What is the next problem? The next problem is a big problem. Uh-oh. Now let's look at this problem. Again, hear me out clearly, carefully. You don't sleep. Stay awake. You can sleep up to 7:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. A gumball machine. Does everybody know what is a gumball machine?
Yeah.
Everybody has seen it?
Uh,
Okay, that's fine.
I had seen it when I was 8.
Yeah, that is all because of parents. I see one small student watching from behind. Mandeep's sister, hello beta. Okay, all right. Mandeep has not told you that this teacher is very scary. He gives a lot of math problems. Okay, let's go to the problem. A gumball machine had 78 gumballs. You here. Stop sharpening your pencil, that is not needed. A gumball machine had 78 gumballs. Each person who put a coin into the machine gets 3 gumballs. Each person who puts a coin in the machine gets 3 gumballs. After a certain number of people got gumballs, there were 54 gumballs remaining. Estimate how many people got gumballs out of the machine. So again, some of you who have not had me before, what I say this is a magic trick for solving any math problem. Who wins the race? Who ran the best? Meaning ran or read and hear the question couple of times. Then analyze, meaning think about it. Analyze. Then Nike. What does Nike say? Just do it. So you will do the problem towards the end. Read the question once, twice, 3 times till you are clear. Then you think about it, how you will do it, and then you do it. That's the goal. So that means I'm reading the question one last time. Yes. Lakshmi, tell me better. You're saying something?
I was gonna ask you a question.
Yes. So see, Lakshmi has. This is Lakshmi's third class, I think, right? Third or fourth class, maybe. But Lakshmi has learned that whoever wins the race is the one who ran the best. So she's asking me to read the question so that she can hear it again and again. So here's the question. I'm reading it one more time for you guys. A gumball machine had 78 gumballs. Write down the numbers if you want to, okay? A gumball machine had 78 gumballs. Each person who put a coin gets 3 gumballs. After a certain number of people got gumballs, there were 58 gumballs remaining. So 78 came down to 54. 54 gumballs remaining. Estimate how many people got gumballs out of the machine. Lakshmi, did you hear the question this time? Yaditi, you're saying something better. I am not able to hear you. One more time, little louder better.
24 gumballs and 8 people.
Okay, you are quick. Let's see what Praneeth says.
We round first and then do division.
Mostly if you are dealing with smaller numbers, you do an actual calculation, then you round it. That's a better way of doing it. If you are dealing with larger numbers, then you round it first, then you do the calculation. So it's always a trade-off between the two.
Like I would round it first and then
And that's also fine unless your rounding changes, the number big time. That's what I'm saying. If you're dealing with smaller numbers, you first calculate, then you round. If the number is too big, it's going to take a lot of time, then you first round, then you do calculation. Yep. What is the answer? So Mandeep, 7.5. I said estimate how many people. How would 7.5 people get gumballs?
Because the last one.
Somebody is without head or without hands or legs.
Because the last one, they only get 2.
What last one?
When I calculated.
I'm saying there were how many gumballs in the beginning? 78. How many gumballs were remaining after certain people put the coins? 54. Think about it. Yep. Riyans, Lakshmi, Ahana, Mandeep, what's going on?
Sir, can you read the question again?
Okay, Mishika, tell me better.
Third.
How many?
Third.
30?
30.
30. So did you hear the question? Let me repeat it one more time, okay? Say the gumball machine had 78 gumballs. Each person who put a coin into the machine gets 3 gumballs. Meaning, after every coin is put, 3 gumballs come out. So let's say first person when he put the coin, 3 gumballs came out. So 78 became 75. So every time a person puts a coin, 3 gumballs will keep coming out. So after a certain number of people put the coins or got the gumballs, there were 54 gumballs remaining. There were 54 remaining. So the question is, how many people put the coin to get the gumballs? So Mishika, do you want to think about it again?
Is it estimated?
Estimated is fine.
And about. No, I'm rounding. This question asking us to round.
It says estimate how many people. So approximately you will say. And you will not say approximately 7.2 people because 7.2 people doesn't mean anything, right?
Approximately 10.
10. Okay, let's see what Riyan says. Riyan without glasses.
Can you explain the question again?
I will read it one more time. A gumball machine had 78 gumballs. Each person who put a coin into the machine gets 3 gumballs. After a certain number of people got gumballs, there were 54 gumballs remaining. Estimate how many people got gumballs out of the machine. Yeah? Wait, what is the answer?
My answer is 10.
10. Okay, Nihit?
My answer is 8.
8. How about Lakshmi?
My answer is 20.
20. How about Nishika?
10.
10.
How many gumballs were left again?
54.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shivakesava?
10.
10. Ahana?
Mine is
8. Okay.
8.
What same as Ahana you said, Mandeep?
20. 20.
Okay. How about Riyan without glasses?
I have 5.
10. How about Sohina? Sohita, sorry. How about 10? How about Riyaz with glasses?
Me and Grandma were 30.
30. How about Aditi? Yeah, Aditi, go ahead. 8. Okay. How about who is remaining? Okay, how about Yug? What is your answer?
7.
7. How about Rudraj?
I don't get it.
You don't get it?
I don't get how to do it.
How to do it?
Yeah.
So always try breaking. Okay, so I think everybody, Ved and Rayans both have raised their hand and they have given the answer. So I think you guys can bring your hands down. Bhuvi, how about you, beta? What did you try? Still doing it? Okay, so don't worry about it. You can solve these problems later also. But now hear my story. Yeah, I'm a good storyteller, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hear my story then. Ahana, am I a good storyteller? No. Okay. Now I'm just kidding, beta. Storytelling is, see, here I'm not to tell stories, but I always ask you guys to tell a story, meaning whatever you know, can you explain it? That is the storytelling I'm talking about. Meaning, when you know something, if you are not able to explain it, people think, oh, you don't know it. When you're able to explain it, then everybody will say, okay, yeah, what he knows, he's able to tell also. Okay? So now, let's look at this problem. Read the question enough. You have read the question. It says there is a gumball machine where you have 78 gumballs. Okay? Every time a person puts a coin, gets 3 gumballs. One coin, see, every person is putting one coin. One person. Okay? Gets 3 gumballs. Yeah? I'm assuming that it's not the same person going and putting the coin, okay? So one person goes, puts a coin, gets 3 gumballs, goes away. Second person comes, puts a coin, gets 3 gumballs, goes away. And every time a person puts a coin, he or she gets 3 gumballs, 78 becomes 75. Second person came, put a coin, 3 gumballs came out, 75 became 72. So it's decreasing. So what it's saying is, after few people came and put the coins, there are 54 gumballs remaining. So how many gumballs are used so far? How many gumballs are withdrawn from the gumball machine? 78 minus 54? Yeah? So it had 78 gumballs. One person came, put a coin, got 3 gumballs. Second person came, put a coin, got 3 more gumballs. Third person came, put a coin, got 3 more gumballs. And that story continued. Mandeep, your bread and butter and egg that you are putting on the screen, take it out. It's not breakfast time. Okay. So every person comes, puts a coin, gets 3 gumballs, moves away. So and the gumballs are reducing after every coin, right? It's becoming less. So after some certain number of people came and put a coin, got 3 gumballs, moved out. There are some 54 gumballs remaining. Meaning 78 minus 54, that many gumballs are gone. How many gumballs are gone? 78 minus 54. Right? This was before and this is after. So how many gumballs are gone? 78 minus 54. How much is that? 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 24? Total 24 gumballs are gone. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, 1 gumball, 1 coin or 1 person, 3 gumballs. 2 person, every person or every coin is 3 gumballs, 6. 3, 9. If you go to the table of 3, when will you come and hit 24?
6.
Don't rush.
8.
3 8 are 24. Why did we get 10? This will, yeah. I'm sorry?
You said this number is big.
Uh-huh.
You have to round first and then subtract.
Is this a big number? Is this a big number? 78? Is that a big number? Big number is this.
Like a 3-digit
3 digit or 4 digit, I mean when you find the calculation difficult. Yeah, Mishika, you're saying something. Mishika, go ahead, tell me.
I'm around.
Okay, so, okay, Yug here, your teacher is not stuck on the wall, I'm here. Yeah?
Then my answer is 6.
6? Okay, we'll see. Now I'm saying it can't be 6. Now look at this. It had 78 gumballs and people kept on putting coin, getting gumballs, and then there are now 54 gumballs remaining. That means 78 minus 54, that many gumballs are gone, eaten, swallowed, thrown, whatever it is. Yeah. So now we have 78 by 54, 24 gumballs are used or consumed or purchased, whatever you call it, right? Because they are putting coin to get it, right? So they are purchasing it. 24 gumballs. Now this is a table that says if one person had come, 3 gumballs would have been gone. Two people would have come, 6 gumballs would have been gone. 3 people would have come, 9 gumballs would have been gone. That is a table of 3. How far I can go to get to 24? 3 8 is 24. That is 8. So 8 people came and have withdrawn gumballs by putting a coin to get to this. Now, some of you said 10, and I know why 10. Because even the question that I was looking at, there was no option as 8. It was saying estimate. So estimation means round it to the nearest 10, round it to the nearest 10. So 78 became 80, 54 became 50. That means how many gumballs I got approximately? 30. One gumball, one coin takes 3 gumballs. 10 coins will take 30 gumballs. Meaning 10 coin or 10 people, whatever you call it. So that is how some of you got 10. Is that correct?
Actually, how I did, yes.
Yeah. So depending on the question, if you see the question and you are given 8 as an option or 10 as an option. If 8 is the option, you will pick 8. If you don't see 8 as an option for this question, then you will do the rounding before doing the calculation and then you will get this answer. Yeah? Yeah?
Wait, actually the answer is 10 because it said rounding, so once you got your answer 8 will be rounded to 10.
That is also fine, yeah? So you can do a rounding before the calculation or after the calculation. You'll more or less get the answer. Yes, Riyans, you're saying something. Riyans, without glasses, where did you go? Tell me, Riyans, you're saying something. You have raised your hand. No?
So but before you said like the approximate, but 8 is not approximate. And then Prashant asked that question.
It's not Prashant, it's Praneeth. His name is Praneeth. Prashant is his dad's name.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah. So, okay, let's not muddy the water much here. It's very simple, okay? You will use the calculation that makes your life easier. You will not complicate it by overthinking about it. Now let's say, if I say, I had $100, I gave 100, let's say $105. And every child who came to me, I kept on giving $5 each. Now I have $66. How many kids came to me? Every child who came to me, I kept on giving $5 as a money to buy candies, let's say. I had 105 with me. Every time a child came to me, I kept on giving $5 each. How many kids came to me? Because I have now only $66 left. Then we'll say, okay, fine. Let me round it to 3 digits. It's 100. I will round this to 2 digits only. Because if you round it to 3 digits, it will become 100 as well. So you say, okay, round it to 2 digits. I will say this is 70. Okay, so 100 to 70. $30 are gone. One child, $5. How many kids?
Sir,
Yeah.
105 is
I'm saying rounding to 3 digits only. I rounded to 3 digits. So that's okay. I mean, if you round it to 2 digits, you will round it to 110, and this is 100. So 110 minus 70 is how much? 40. So it will be 8 Ks. That's okay. So rounding again, you have to know whether you're rounding to 2 digits or rounding to 3 digits. That's a call that you have to take. Yeah? And this is estimation. You will not go wrong. See, if you look at the 4 options, if you have 4 options, you'll say 3, 8, 12 and 1. So if you got one answer here as 8 and one answer is 6, you will find which one you have. Okay, 8. I'll go for 8. Okay? Because estimation will also give you approximate value. What happened? Everybody is thinking too much. Okay, let me keep it simple for you guys, okay? Let's make it one standard approach. If somebody says, do the estimation, you have some calculation to do the estimation and find out the answer. It's okay. You do the estimation in the beginning, do the rounding in the beginning, do your calculation, whatever comes, you round that also, and let's see what happens. Okay? Let's pick up next problem and we'll see. So disconnect and join. If anybody is not able to hear me, disconnect and join. That works. Okay.
Sir,
Yep.
are you putting your
What is that?
robot face on? I can't see you.
No. I'm here.
But I can't see you.
So disconnect and join. Can everybody else see me? Okay. You guys. Okay. Anahita joined.
Sir,
Whoever cannot see me, disconnect and join. That's the best way. Can you see me now?
I can still see you like that.
No. Okay. Can you see the board okay?
No.
Disconnect and join. That's the only option. Whoever cannot see me, disconnect and join.
I think it's just a little.
Lakshmi, can you see me, beta? Anahita, can you see me? Anahita, can you see me?
No, sir.
Disconnect and join. Okay? Whoever cannot see me, disconnect and join. Riyans, how about you?
I can see you from right here.
What is that?
Can I use the restroom?
Yeah. Okay, guys, stop being friends. All the friendship is to be done outside the class. Let's pick up one more problem. Guys, pay attention. This time, the simple approach that you will follow is do the rounding in the beginning, do the calculation, and then whatever answer you get, just round it to the nearest value, okay? And I'll give you some options also which you can choose from. The question is, Bo had a container of flour that weighed 32 ounces. Bo is my childhood friend. Bo is my childhood friend who had a container of flour. He had a container of flour that weighed, container of the flour weighed 32 ounces. 32 ounces. On Monday, he added 47 ounces of flour. So on Monday, he added 47 ounces of flour. Monday, this is Monday, okay? During the week, he made cookies and waffles with some of the flour. At the end of the week, the container weighed 61 ounces. Estimate how many ounces of flour Bo used during the week. And you have 4 options. Option A is 1 ounce. Option B is 20 ounce. Option C is 80 ounce. And option D is 140 ounce. Yeah, I will. Bo, who is my childhood friend, he had a container of flour that weighed 32 ounces. Okay? The container weighed 32 ounces. He added 47 ounces on Monday. He added 47 ounces of flour on Monday. During the week, he used the flour for making cookies and waffles. By end of the week, he had 61 ounces. By end of the week, the container weighed 61 ounces. How many ounces of flour did Bo use during the week? Yep.
20.
Okay. So you have answered it very quickly. Review your answer. Make sure that doesn't go wrong. Whoever gives the answer quickly have extra responsibility of reviewing their answer and making sure that there is nothing wrong in it. Okay. Quick and accurate is what I'm looking for.
I checked it several times.
What is that?
I checked it. It's
20.
20.
So you tell your answer, you review your answer, we will see. Everybody heard the question, right? Yeah, Nahita.
Can you say the question again? Your audio kind of breaking up.
Okay. I am literally right in front of the screen.
Yes, I checked it.
I'm talking, you will wait. Bo had a container of flour that weighed 32 ounces. On Monday, he added 47 ounces of flour. On Monday, he added 47 ounces of flour. During the week, he made cookies and waffles with some of the flour. At the end of the week, the container weighed 61 ounces. Estimate how many ounces of flour Bo used during the week. And the answers, the options you have is 1 ounce, 20 ounces, 80 ounces, 140 ounces. Yes, Lakshmi.
The answer is
Louder, better.
The answer is B.
B, 20 ounces, okay. There are 3 kids saying B. Let's see. Nishika.
B.
B.
20.
Okay.
20.
Okay. Aditi.
Sir, I'm thinking B too.
Thinking or calculating? Calculate and tell me. Thinking would not
Answer
do.
B, sir.
Answer B. Okay. I want everybody to do it and tell me the answer, okay? Thinking is good, but I cannot rely on thinking alone. Sahita.
B.
B. Say it loud and clear as if you're fighting with your teacher, saying, sir, my answer is B. I got B. That makes me more confident. Okay. Good. Ved. B. Ved is not fighting. Naita.
B.
B. Okay. See, B is the right answer because my name starts with a B. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay. Ahana. You are talking to the mute button.
That is also B.
B, yes. You also B? Sure. Okay, everybody is saying B. But you know what? You all are very unlucky to have a very bad teacher who doesn't trust anybody. And he has to do the calculation by himself to trust anybody. So, okay. Now here's the question. It says, a container of the flour weigh 32 ounces. This is the container, see? This is my container. This weigh 32 ounces. Nobody is saying how much flour is there, okay? This is 32 ounces. The weight of the container is 32 ounces. Maybe this is only 10 ounces in weight and remaining 22 is flour, but we don't know. Okay, let it be the weight. On Monday, my best friend Bo added 47 ounces. So this container had 32 ounces weight. When somebody adds this many ounces, it becomes 32 plus 47. So the total weight of the container, without we caring about the amount of flour in here. The total weight of the container is 47 plus 32, 69 ounces, or approximately 70, whatever. You can round it and say, okay, this is 30, and round it to this, you can say 50. It's okay. 30 plus 50, 80, I'm saying 69, I'm just adding it, I'm not doing the estimation right now. And then it says, after Bo used the flour in the container, Mandeep, you're upside down. What happened?
Sir, I think 47 plus 32 was equals 79.
Okay, my bad. See, if you don't do practice, you go wrong. I did not do practice, that's why I went wrong.
I was why is this 79?
Okay, so this, okay, let me continue. So now this container had weight of 32 ounces. Somebody added 47 ounces, and that became 79 ounces. Now during the week, Mr. Bo or Miss Bo, whoever it is, used some of the flour, and then the overall weight of the container is 61 ounces. So again, this is the weight of the container. Nobody knows how much flour is there. We only know this many ounces of flour was added. But before it had any flour or not, we don't know. But let's not worry about it. Stop dancing. This is not a dancing class. And if I start teaching dance, that will be a horrible dance that you guys will learn. Okay? Let's not go there. So don't come to me for dance class. I'm a very bad dancer. Don't do dance in this class. Let's not do dance in the class. Get the message straight. Now, 79 to 61. What will you say? Okay, fine. We have to estimate 79 rounds to 80, 61 rounds to 60. Which is the closest answer? 80, it was the earlier weight, it became this much, meaning something is gone. 80 to 60, meaning something is gone. 80 minus 60, that is what is gone. That is what is used for making waffles, cookies, cakes, whatnot. So your answer is B. So everybody got the right answer. No question, no doubt.
I just did it a different way.
You can always say, okay, 32 I will round it to 30, 47 I round it to 50, that becomes 80. This was my earlier weight and became 61. I will round it to 60. 80 to 60, 20 ounces what was used.
Minus 59 is answered by subtraction. 61 is 79. The nearest rounding number, and then I did 30 plus 50, then I minus 80 plus 60, and that's how that.
Yeah. So like what Paneet said, you can do 79 minus 61, you get 18. There is no 18 as an answer. What is the nearest? 18 can get rounded to 20. That is why the answer is 20. Yeah? Yes, Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi, go ahead. You are saying something, but I cannot hear you. Aditi is saying she cannot hear me. Aditi, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
You can hear me?
But I have to tell you that I have a dance class at 5 p.m.
Okay. All right. So that if you are going for a dance class, I'm assuming that is a better teacher than me when it comes to dance. Okay. If I do dance, that will be a horrible dance. So if you are looking for a dance class, find a better teacher than me. Okay. All right. So yeah, you can go for a dance class, but we are almost on the verge of completing this class. So again, now for everybody, we have another 3-4 minutes. What is that I want you guys to be aware of? When you are talking about any word problem, where does the word problems come from? They are made in heaven. Word problems are made in heaven. Yeah? I'm just kidding. Word problems are not made in heaven. They are created by normal people like you and me. Okay? Meaning, word problems are nothing but a different representation of the same calculation. Okay. Like now look at situation. Let's say I and Bhuvi are talking. Okay. So Bhuvi, I asked Bhuvi, okay, when is the school starting? She said, yeah, starting day after tomorrow. Okay. And then say, okay, fine. Have you got all your stationeries for the school? She'll say, yeah, I got 10 pencils, I got 5 notebooks, I got this many markers, this many erasers, this many pencil boxes, this many bags. Okay, total how many things you got? She'll say, okay, 5 plus this, and then she adds. This is what is word problem. Whatever discussion was happening between me and Bhuvi about the stationery that she got for her school, we just wrote that down as a story and then we did the calculation. You whatever interesting you are doing, stop doing it. This is what Daddy was saying just 5 minutes ago, that he doesn't pay attention to what he does. And do you like Dad saying over and over again? No, don't do that. Don't make your parents feel bad. All of us, okay? When you're in the class, make sure that you're using this class. 1 hour is what you have to tolerate me for. Okay? Even if I'm the worst teacher on this earth, you have to bear with me only for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can do all fun stuff, all interesting, important stuff. But during the class, only math. Okay? Alright. With that being said, I will let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening and have fun because school is starting soon. And for some of you, it has already started. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night.